Hello everybody. Today we are going to make palapam. This is the most popular breakfast dish of Kerala. Both vegetarian and non-vegetarian curries can be eaten together with it. If you take the same ingredients at the same quantity taken here, then you will get the perfect palapam. This is also known as appam. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, then please do subscribe it and activate the bell icon so that you can get more interesting Kerala recipes in English. Now let's see how the palapam is made. For that, first we have to take 2 glasses of raw rice and then soak it for 4 hours. Avoid this sticky kind of rice. After 4 hours, now we have to grind the rice. Now for the palapam, we have to grind in 3 stages. Here we have taken half the quantity of the soaked rice in a mixer grinder. Also add a little bit of water and then grind it well. Now take 4 tablespoons, which means 1/4 cup batter, and transfer it into another vessel. Now add water thrice the amount of the batter taken. Then mix it well. Now keep the mixture in a gas stove in low flame. We are doing this so that we can get a soft palapam. Heat it until we get a consistency which is shown here. This mix should be added to the batter only after it's cooled down so that it becomes soft, otherwise it will become hard. The cooked batter is now ready. Now we have to keep this to cool down. Now take some grated coconut. Only the white part should be contained so that we can get milky white palapam. Now we have to grind the second stage. Now grind the grated coconut along with the leftover soaked rice. Now add enough salt according to your taste. Now add some water to it and then grind it well. Here we have grinded it well. Now we can transfer it into another larger vessel. Now we have to grind for the third stage. Now we have to grind the cooked batter along with 1 handful of cooked rice. 1 handful of cooked rice is equivalent to half cup. Now we need to add some water till the surface of this mix. Then grind it well. The batter which we had grinded in 3 stages has to be now mixed together with the yeast. We had prepared the yeast before grinding for the batter. For that, add a pinch of yeast to some lukewarm water. Here we have used active yeast. If you have taken instant yeast instead, then you may add a pinch of yeast directly to the batter. If you are taking active yeast, then mix it with lukewarm water like this before grinding the batter. Now mix the batter well with your hand. Make sure that the batter is mixed very well, as we are not mixing it again the next day. Now keep it aside for 8 hours for fermentation. After 8 hours of fermentation, the batter would have risen up like this. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar to the batter. Just sprinkle it over the top. Now stir only the top part of the batter, as the sugar will descend down to the batter later. Now the batter should not be stirred again. In fact, batter from the surface should be taken so that we can make the palapam. Now we have to heat the pan. The pan should be neither too hot nor less hot. Now we can add the batter to the appam pan. While putting the batter, you can hear a sound. After adding the batter to it, now spread the pan like we have spread it like here. Then close the appam pan as soon as possible. This is a very delicious recipe. Hope you have liked it. Then please do try it. If you liked our video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.